This part we are going to see how to make calls through group talk. So as soon as you create a group, the group appears on your screen. Like we have just created a group called test. So if you just click on that group test, you'll find all the participants in the group. So Karthik, me being the host, and the participants of the group. So now this is how the group interface looks like. So in this group interface, in the center we find a call icon. So while clicking on that, the call will get triggered in two modes, in mute mode or in unmute mode, which I will be discussing. So now in this group, we have other two options also. First option is like a pencil icon to edit this group details or name, and second icon is the person with a plus symbol through which you can add a participant in this group right now. So now I'll just show how to trigger a call. So now to trigger a call, there is an icon in the center of the screen with a call icon. When clicking on that, it will show two more details, like mute call or make a call. So a pop-up appears with mute call, make a call. So when you click on mute call, all the participants in the group will be on mute mode. You can unmute them at any given point of time. And second option is make a call. In make a call, all the participants will receive a call in an unmute mode. So all the participants will be in unmute mode, and you can mute them at any given point of time. So right now I'm doing a mute call. So all the participants will be on a mute mode. So I click on this mute call. It shows the call has been dialing. So now we see that call has been dialing. Now the host has picked up the call, so it shows in progress. The other participants, it shows that the call has been dialing right now. So in this screen, towards your down call or down bottom of the screen, you have five symbols. So the first symbol with three persons over there shows this main screen, which we are viewing it right now. So this symbol is like the summary of the entire call, what is happening, who is on the call, who is disconnected, who is muted, who is unmuted. So all the details of the group is visible on the first icon with the people icon over there. The second icon is over here is a mic with a slash symbol. So when you click on that, it shows the participants who are unmuted. So now we go and for example we unmute the participant 1 and we unmute the participant 5. So when we unmute these two participants and go to the mic symbol, we see that these participants are unmuted. So this icon over here, this tab over here is exclusively for the people who are unmuted and who are speaking right now. So again, after they speak, we can mute them back by just clicking on the mic symbol. They get muted. Now going back to the main screen, so you can mute or unmute a participant. For example, participant 5 over here, it shows in progress. Beside him there are two icons, one a mic symbol with a slash. Mic symbol with a slash means he is on mute mode. So you can unmute him by just clicking on this mic over here. Once you click, the participant 5 gets unmuted. So now the mic is without a slash symbol. That means this person is unmuted and he can speak right now. Now again we mute back this person. Now the icon in the top, the icon at the bottom, you see a call symbol. So when you click on that, this shows this is exclusively only for the participants who are on call right now. So there are 8 members in the group, only 3 have picked up the call, rest have not picked up the call. So now these 3 participants is shown on the call over here. And the next icon over here is a hand raise icon. In the corner you find a hand raise icon. So when I click on this hand raise icon, this icon over here, this tab is exclusively for the participants who are on mute mode and they are willing to speak. So how do they communicate that? So for that we have made this interface so simple, where a person can press 0 on their phone keypad, which our system captures and pops up over here. So for example, there's a participant who is pressing 0. We see that participant 1 is press 0 on their keypad, and we see that participant wants to talk. So now we unmute the participant by clicking on the mic symbol over here. Or if there are multiple participants, you can just click on unmute all. So right now there is only one participant. I just click on this unmute button. So again, coming back to the unmute tab over here, we see participant 1 has been unmuted. And now towards the last call icon with slash over there shows the participants who are disconnected. So these all are the participants who are disconnected. So now you can, instead of calling an individual participant, you can just click on this dial all. When you click on dial all, it again you come back to the main screen. It shows all the participants dialing. That means the call has been triggered again, so they will be on the call again. So this is how the group talk during the call process. So there are mainly 5 major tabs at the bottom of the screen. First one is the entire summary of the call: who's on the call, who's not on the call, mute, unmute state. Second icon is exclusively only for the participants who are unmuted, and the third icon is exclusively only for the people who are on the call right now. Fourth icon is exclusively only for the people who have raised their hand by pressing 0 on their keypad. Fifth icon is exclusively only for the persons who are not picked up the call or who has disconnected the call. So coming back to the first main screen, and on the top of the screen you'll have three more icons. So first one is like mute symbol, a mic symbol with a slash. So this symbol over here is, actually works for the entire group participants. So now what we do, when you click on this symbol, the entire group gets unmuted at a single go. So you need not mute or unmute a single participant. If you want to mute or unmute a entire group on a single go, you can just click on this icon and mute and unmute them. Second is, during the call, if you want to add a participant, you can just click on this person with a plus symbol and then add a participant, and the time will be visible for you that 4 minutes 36 seconds the call has been going on right now, and you have a disconnect icon over here through which you can disconnect the call for every participant. And in between you have search members. For example, if there are 30-40 members, and if you're not willing to scroll, you can just type that participant name. For example, I'm just typing participant 1. So it shows me only participant 1 on the search screen. So whatever action I would like to take, I can take that accordingly. So this is the entire group talk during the call process. So I'm just disconnecting the call right now by clicking on this disconnect icon over here. So now after disconnecting, it usually asks for a feedback. Once it is done, again it just comes back to your main screen. So you can have multiple groups created by checking on how to create groups. I have made a separate video, you can check on that. Now this is how usually a call is being made. Now in the same case, if you would like to make a call through a desktop or laptop, it is feasible through this. So towards your main screen, you find there is an 3 vertical lines over here, group talk, beside group talk. Once you click on that, it shows group talk web. Once you click on that, you get a QR code scanner. So when you type web.grouptalk.com on your desktop, so there will be a QR code visible on the screen. So when you just scan this, the group talk account gets opened on the web, and the similar way you can start doing the calls. Thank you.